Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to track outbound links through Google Tag Manager. Let's get started. In Google Analytics, by default, it provides outbound links tracking. So if you go to in admin and then click on data streams and then click here and then configure tags setting, I guess. Yeah, let's try this. It might take some time. And then manage automatic event detection, click here, and here you can see outbound links I disable. So first you have to disable if you want to track this outbound links in Google Tag Manager, if you want to learn this. Otherwise you do not need to track outbound links in Google Tag Manager, but in some cases you want to use or add some extra values and variables to collect data, then in that case you can do it. So let me first enable this. Let's see what happened first, right? If I use both, then what happened? So first we will create a variable. Click on variables. There is no inbuilt variable, so you have to create a custom variable. So how you can create custom variable? Here, then click here and auto event variables, click here, and this is a element URL, and then select is outbound. And affiliate, suppose you have any payment method, so you can use paypal.com etc, right? So affiliate means your own domain and you don't want to consider them as a outbound links, so you can mention here, right? Or you can make a variable, and if you have multiple then you can do as well. So this is how you can create a variable, and we can outbound links, right? Save this. Now we will go to triggers. So this is the steps. We create variables, triggers, and then tag. So triggers means when you want to apply it. So I want to apply it just link in some cases. And variable we just created. Where is my variable? Name is outbound link, right? Yeah, here. And it contains true. Why I'm adding true? You can also say that equals. I will explain that. First let me create this outbound link and save it, right? So let's see the preview mode, and then we will see why I'm doing this. Let's connect it, and here I want to click. So this has open, and now continue. Here you can see outbound link. We have clicked a outbound links, and click element, click class, click id, click target. All we have from outbound links. Yes, we got it. And it's a boolean, and it's true. So it's sending a data true or false. That's why we have set it there true. If it is false, then it will not count the outbound link. So let's create now a tag. And one more thing, you must, you know you must have all the variables related to link, because it's a link, or click, we can say it's a click. So all the click variables you make sure you have. So here you can go and you have to check in. So check these all boxes, all the click elements or click related variables you have to enable. So let's create a tag on Google Analytics 4 measurement ID. Here you go, you can copy this measurement ID, and here you can add, you can make a variable as well, that would be great. Event name, out exit link, I will call it exit link. We don't use any space and all, so you have to use hyphen, underscore, and then click here a variable. What else you want to capture with your outbound links? I want to capture the URL where they clicked. So click, did I do something wrong? Click text. Okay, so here we will name link text, right? Here we, because they already known parameters, link, we can say URL, this is also known, right? And here click, this is a text, and here this is a URL, right? Anything else? Trigger, we created a trigger here, outbound links, and we can say outbound links, right? Everything is good. Let's save it. Now let me remove them, and again I will start the tracking, the debugging. Let's connect the website. Okay, so here, so we will click here. Now see what happened. Here, yeah, I got it. Outbound links, what they are sending. So this is data layer, where are the variables? Okay, outbound links here, here are the variables. So you can see click, link click, outbound clicks. So many click related things are coming. The reason is we haven't disabled from here, that's why they are coming. So what you can do, you can go in debug view and also verify one more time here, exit link, yeah, and also click. So this is a outbound links tracking by Google Analytics, and this is a outbound link tracking by GTM. So you have to remove it. How you can remove it? We will go to admin and then click here, and then we will disable from same place where we enable it, and here we go, automatic detection, and we can disable and save it. So hope, and if you want to do this again, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment.